Now, sixth example is like this. Find the coordinates of midpoints of the segment joining the points 22, 20 and 0, 16. We have denote this 22, this coordinate as x1, y1, x2, y2. Now, by section formula, midpoint formula, sorry, we can solve the example. X is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Now we have to find the coordinates of P, which is dividing the segment. Now x is equal to, what is x1? x1 is what? 22 plus 0 divided by 2, that is x is equal to 22 upon 2, 2 under 2, 2 under 2. Now x is equal to 11. Now similarly we have to solve y is equal to, y1 is what? 20 plus y2 is what? 16 divided by 2. Y is equal to 36 divided by 2 under 2, 2 under 2, 1 remaining, 2 8 is 16, y is equal to 18. Now these two values are the coordinates of point P if we have taken the midpoint of the segment, and x having coordinate 11 and y coordinate 18. Like this we will solve 7th and 8th example also. 7th example is like this. Find the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are given below. Point A, B and C are given because it is the triangle. Now in which we have to denote the values x1, y1, x2, y2, x3 and y3. Similarly, we have to write the formula that is called as the centroid formula. By centroid formula, we have to write x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, and for y, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Now we'll substitute the value of x1. x1 is what? Minus 7 plus, if minus sign is there we have to put bracket, minus 7 plus this 2 plus 8 divided by 3. Now we have to solve. First of all we will do this thing. Now when we open the bracket it will become minus plus minus. Now minus 7 and plus 2 becomes minus 5 plus 8 divided by 3. Minus and plus become minus. 7 is a bigger number, that's why minus sign is there. 7 minus 2 is 5. So here also minus plus minus, greater number is plus, that's why 8 minus 5 becomes 3, and 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. 3 ones are 3, therefore x is equal to 1. The value of x is 1. Then y, substitute the value of y1, 6 plus minus 2 plus 5 divided by 3. Now we will solve this thing. Plus minus minus, 6 plus 5 minus 2 becomes 3 divided by 3, and y is equal to 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 upon 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, y is equal to 3. Now x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3 are the coordinates of the centroid. So like this we have to solve the example. Very simple formula is there. x1 plus x2 plus x3, all three will get here in 3 points coordinate, and y1, y2, y3 divided by 3. Like this we have to solve. another example which is included in 7 question, and two similar examples are there. Similar example of 7 question, second example inside it, it is A 3 comma minus 5, B 4 comma 3, and C 8 comma 5. We have to denote like this for our convenience: x2, y2, x3 and y3. While looking this, we can substitute the value. It will be convenient to us. Now we have the centroid formula: x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, and y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Now we will substitute the value: 3 plus 4 plus 8 divided by 3. Then 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 3, 15 divided by 3. 3 1 the 3, 3 5 the 15. Therefore, x is equal to 5. And similarly, y is equal to y1 is what? Minus 5 plus 3 plus 5 divided by 3. This minus plus become minus, greater number is 5, that's why minus 2 plus 5 divided by 3. This plus minus becomes minus, 5 minus 2 becomes 3, 3 upon 3 is 1. Now y is equal to 1. Like this we will get the answers. Now one similar example, third example in 7 question is given. You have to try this example and try to solve this example, and we'll move toward the next example, that is 8th example. Slightly different example. 8th example is like this: in triangle ABC, G minus 4 minus 7 is the centroid, and if A minus 14 and minus 19 and B 3 5, then find the coordinates of C. Just like this, for example, you have to draw like this: A, B and this C. This is the triangle, and when we draw these perpendicular altitudes just like this point is called as a centroid. This is denoted by G. For understanding this, I have drawn this. Now we have to solve this by centroid formula, that is x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Now keep in your mind, students, y1, y2, x1, x2 is given. Just we have to find the value of x3 and y3. Now we'll substitute the value. We are seeing that x is what? Minus 4 is equal to x1 is what? Minus 14 plus x2 is what? 3 plus x3 as it is divided by 3. This minus 4 as it is, this minus and this plus become minus, it will become 11. 14 minus 3, 11, minus 11 plus x3 divided by 3. Now we'll do like this. This 3 will go either side and multiply with this 4 becomes minus 12 minus 11 plus x3. We have to find the value of x3, keep x3 as it is and bring this 11 to this side, either side. This minus 12 plus 11, this minus 11 become plus to go either side of equal to sign, and it will become minus 1. Therefore x3 is what? Minus 1. x3 is what? Minus 1. We have find the value of x3 for minus 1. Now dear students, similarly we have to solve the y. We have to substitute the value of y. Y is what? Minus 7, and y1 is what? Minus 19 plus 5 plus y3 divided by 3. Now similarly we'll do solve like this: minus and plus become minus 19 minus 5 becomes minus 14 plus y3 divided by 3. This 3 will multiply with this 7 becomes minus 21 is equal to minus 14 plus y3. Then y3 keep as it is because we have to find y3 and we have to bring this minus 14 to either side. This minus 21 plus 14. Now minus 21 and plus 14 will become minus 7. y3 is equal to minus 7. Like this we have to find the value of y3 and x3. This is the simple example, and one similar example is given, ninth example. You try to solve this. If you are finding some problems while solving, then contact me on the group. Thank you.